Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a full review of the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser, a name that carries legendary status around the world. Toyota has reimagined the Land Cruiser for 2025, blending classic heritage with modern design and technology, and we're going to break down everything from its rugged exterior to the refined interior, performance updates, and pricing. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Land Cruiser brings a boxier and more traditional SUV stance, drawing inspiration from earlier generations that built its global reputation. The front end features a bold, upright grille with round LED headlights that give it a retro touch, yet it feels modern and purposeful. The squared-off wheel arches, functional roof rails, and high ground clearance showcase its off-road intent, while new alloy wheel designs and subtle use of chrome give it just the right amount of premium appeal. From every angle, it looks solid, tough, and ready for any terrain. Inside the cabin, Toyota has taken a more minimalist yet practical approach. The dashboard is clean, with a large touchscreen taking center stage, offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster is a mix of analog dials and digital display, giving you both classic charm and modern data. Material quality is impressive, with durable leatherette or available leather upholstery, soft touch surfaces, and rugged trim that's ready for adventure. The seating is comfortable and supportive, whether you're driving in the city or hitting trails. Second row space is generous, and in some trims, you even get a third row, making it family-friendly. Toyota has kept physical buttons for climate and off-road controls, a nod to real-world usability, especially when you're wearing gloves. When it comes to performance, Toyota has downsized the engine compared to previous versions, but that's not a downgrade. Under the hood, the 2025 Land Cruiser now gets a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain producing around 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4-wheel drive. This setup not only improves fuel efficiency but also delivers plenty of low-end torque for off-road driving. The Land Cruiser feels composed on highways, but its real strength shines when the pavement ends. It features multi-terrain select, crawl control, and locking differentials, ensuring maximum capability across rocks, mud, snow, or sand. Despite being trail-ready, it drives surprisingly smooth and quiet on the road. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Land Cruiser starts at around $55,000 for the base model and can go up to the low $70,000s for the top-spec First Edition. Toyota has done a great job of packing value at every trim level. Even the base model comes well equipped with safety features, touchscreen infotainment, and off-road hardware. The higher trims offer premium audio systems, leather interiors, and more advanced tech.